in the high in the sky, fly.
Happy giveaway, you guys. I'm about to do the drawing. I wanted to say thank you for everybody who's following, everybody who's out there supporting us. I want to thank APVDroneCrew, Nick, really appreciate you. Edwin, Rican Dragon, appreciate you too, bud. Everybody getting together to help this community and keep people up in the air. So, without further ado, I am going to hit the random number generator and we're going to draw a number. It's going to appear up here. It's not the number 28. We're going to, well, it could be. It's random. We're going to hit enter key. It's going to draw somebody and then we'll verify if they're legit. Number 3, NorCal Drones. Hell yeah, what a deserving dude. Thank you, NorCal Drones, and congratulations. Randy at NorCal Drones, our average hobbyist. We love you. We love your show. We love your channel. Thank you so much for being an awesome dude in the community. But you didn't follow all the rules. And you're not following all of our hosts, so we can't send you the prize. Go ahead and sub up. Make sure you get RicanDragonFPV so you can be eligible for the next giveaway. Okay, and so our new winner is number 30. 30 is Dirty South Drones. Congratulations! I know you're going to be stoked. You, sir, have just won a full set of 3D printed parts or design work, whichever you please. Some t-shirts, a pile of stickers, some other random swag. Congratulations, sir. Thank you. Not only do we want to thank the winner, but we want to thank everybody in this community. This is such an awesome group of people and pilots out here kicking ass every single day, flying, fighting the FAA, dealing with all kinds of fucked up shit. So just again, thank you to the community, all of you helping each other, designing things together, making all this awesome shit great. Thank you all for sharing. And thank you for entering our competition. Don't forget, we're about to do 2 more giveaways coming up after this. You can go ahead and start entering for the next giveaway. I believe next up is the Rebel Ruxus frame. And shortly after that, 2 weeks later, we're coming back at you with a TBS White Noise Synergy flight controller. So make sure you're still following me, that's Fly High FPV, APV Drone, and Rican Dragon FPV. We're out here and we want you.